Now, I'm going to tell you how a solid content strategy helped me. In my business, I now have over 100,000 followers on Instagram. We get over 25,000 profile visits a week, so we have a lot of traffic coming to our page. We have over 300,000 subscribers on YouTube. I've created a multiple six-figure business in 4 months since launching my business in 2019. And now we are a multiple seven-figure business. We are a $2 million business to date with just one product alone that we sell. Now, the first question that I have for you is, what is your relationship with content? Because your relationship with your content strategy is going to be very, very contingent on how you actually manage your business. The more systems that you have in place, the more formulas, frameworks that you can lean on, the easier your relationship with content will be, and it'll actually be a positive one. The less amount of structure that you have, if you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall, you don't have the right frameworks, you don't have any strategy behind your content, then of course, creating content is going to be kind of a pain for you. And so that's why I love to open up with this question to really gauge how you're feeling with your current content strategy. Now, I'm going to tell you how a solid content strategy helped me. In my business, I now have over 100,000 followers on Instagram. We get over 25,000 profile visits a week, so we have a lot of traffic coming to our page. We have over 300,000 subscribers on YouTube. I've created a multiple six-figure business in 4 months since launching my business in 2019. And now we are a multiple seven-figure business. We are a $2 million business to date with just one product alone that we sell. We don't sell a lot of different products. We just sell one product. And we have scaled up our business to over $100,000 a month, which is insane. And a lot of that is really thanks to the front end content strategy that we build, that I have used time and time again to get more clients into my business, to specifically turn followers into clients, which is what I'm all about. So if you don't know who I am yet, hello, I'm Vanessa. And what I'm really good at is I help entrepreneurs, coaches, and content creators turn their followers into clients using social media. Feel free to tag me over on Instagram or check me out. I'm at vanessalau.co. Now, today, what I'm going to be helping with you is I'm going to help you avoid the top mistakes a lot of marketers make when creating content. I'm also going to spill the beans on the top content topics to do to get more leads and make more sales, and also how to strategically hack your way into a better content plan that works for you and not against you in your business. So let's get started. Let's first talk about some crucial content strategy mistakes that keep a lot of people stuck. The first mistake is your content doesn't prime your prospects to become buyers into your paid offers. So what this looks like is you might be posting content for the sake of posting content or for the sake of being trendy, but what you're posting really has no relationship to what you actually sell in your business. So for instance, I could create content about TikTok, right? But I don't have any plans right now, and I don't currently have an offer, a paid offer that talks about TikTok. So I'm gonna be driving a lot of this traffic of people who are interested in TikTok, but I have nothing to monetize there. So that's one mistake. Another way that this mistake can transpire is when your content talks way too much about the direct features and benefits of your services, but it doesn't necessarily meet your audience at where they're at right now in their buyer's journey. So for instance, the audience that you're trying to cater to over on Instagram, they may not be at a place where they're ready to buy your services or buy your products. And they might still have a lot of objections, questions, and limiting beliefs that aren't being answered, which is why they don't feel ready subconsciously to really buy into your programs, your offers, your coaching services, whatever it is that you offer. And another thing is you also might be stuck in a cycle where you're constantly teaching tutorials, you're constantly teaching the how, and you're not teaching enough of the what and the why to widen the gap. And I'm going to talk about that gap later on, but you really need to know the difference between free content and paid content. And I'm going to dive more into this in the next few slides, but know that it's fine. It's okay to do how content. It's okay to do tutorial content, but that shouldn't be your entire content strategy. So let me show you a quick infographic or a quick, visual of what happens when your content doesn't prime your buyers to be ready for your paid offers. Number one, look at this. This is prospect number one. They're going into your masterclass, your sales page, your sales call, your sales, whatever it is, your Instagram profile, whatever it is that you use to sell, that you use to capture your prospects and turn them into clients. A lot of them, they're going into those vehicles having so many questions about your product and services, having so many doubts of whether or not you're the best service provider for them, having a lot of objections. Maybe they don't think that they have the time, maybe they don't think they have the money, or maybe they just don't trust you enough. And therefore, if they aren't hitting your masterclass, your sales page, your sales calls, whatever it is that you use to convert your clients, if they don't have any of those things answered for them beforehand, it's going to lead to lower conversions. Versus if you already have prospects that are ready to buy, and the moment they hop on a sales call with you, the moment that they look at your website, they already know that you are the person for them. They already know your products and services are what they're looking for, and you specifically amongst all your competitors is who they want to work with. Well, then guess what? You're going to have a much higher conversion, and your sales calls shouldn't feel super hard. They should be effortless almost, and they should just be confirming whether or not that person is the right fit, but it shouldn't be tugging teeth to try to get that person to enroll in your programs, your services, your products.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you truly enjoyed it. I'm Alessio Pieroni and I'm the founder of Scale for Impact and obviously of Scale with Alessio. In this channel you can find some of the most amazing marketing content, the content that will help your online education business to go to the next level. And if you want to see other videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel. It means really the world for us, and please also comment below and tell us how you found this video. It's truly important. If on the other side you want to go to the next level and you actually want to make sure that you can watch the entire talks from the Scale series, you want to see over 50 speakers, people that have been changing the entire marketing landscape, and see exactly how these can take your business to the next level, please subscribe to the Scale series. For just $99, you're gonna get the chance to see some of the most amazing speakers, and on top of that, get a lot of other bonuses. You're gonna have 3 amazing books completely for free inside that, tens of hours of other marketing training, all of it for just $99. Literally, that's just $2 per talk. And we're not talking about random speakers. We're talking about people like Jay Abraham, people like Alex Cattoni, Vishen Lakhiani, Jeff Walker, Perry Marshall, Rich Schefrin, Molly Pittman, Murray Smith. Incredible people that changed the entire marketing landscape right now at your fingertip for just $2 each. So don't wait anymore. It's time for you to get the Scale series. See you there and upgrade your marketing knowledge.